This time on Planet Joe, I'm going to Animal Kingdom in Disney World. The first thing that really caught my eye was the Tree of Life. Standing at about 145 feet tall, 8,000 branches and 102,000 artificial leaves on it is truly a wonder to look at. One of the things I really like about this park is it doesn't matter where you go, you always have this tree in the background. Like everywhere you go, you can see the tree. And carved on the tree, there are 325 different animals. But I was more excited for the real animals. With about 2,000 species of animals and a ride that takes you through the heart of the park, I felt like a real photographer on the National Geographic. The safari tour is unique in a way that you never get the same experience twice. The only other thing cooler than a flamboyance of flamingos is going back in time to see your favorite dinosaurs. You heard me right, dinosaurs. Dinoland USA is super awesome. It combines two of my favorite things, 1940s amusement park carnivals and going back in time to see dinosaurs. Dinosaurs the ride sends you back in time to collect samples, but you end up bringing a dinosaur back with you. It's pretty intense. Not too far away from Dinoland USA is Asia. Home to the biggest and arguably only roller coaster in Animal Kingdom, Expedition Everest can almost be seen from anywhere in the park. The roller coaster isn't the only thing worth checking out. There's also the Maharaja Jungle Trek, complete with a Komodo dragon, fruit bats, monkeys, water buffalo, and even a tiger. But my absolute favorite part of Animal Kingdom had to be Pandora. In my opinion, this is the most aesthetically pleasing part of Animal Kingdom. It offers 2 rides and awesome photo opportunity spots. The first ride, Avatar Flight of Passage, is a 3D flying simulator where you ride on the back of a banshee. Words or video cannot explain how awesome this ride truly is. You have to experience it for yourself. Even though you'll most likely spend hours in it, the queue is pretty cool as well. Did I mention that you were going to spend hours in this queue? Because you will, and I did, but it's definitely worth it. The other ride in Pandora is Navi's River Journey. You will also spend hours in line for this ride. It is not worth it. It's a small world on steroids. Not only did I wait in line for entirely too long for this ride, but while I was riding it, the ride broke down. Some things in this world are worse than death. One of them is being stuck on Navi's river journey for an unseen amount of time, listening to an animatronic sing the same song while being surrounded by kids and water with no escape. But when I finally did escape, it was dark outside, and Pandora looks awesome in the dark. My phone really doesn't give it justice of how cool it really is when the sun goes down on Pandora. Not just in Pandora, but the rest of the park is pretty sweet too. And just when I was heading out that afternoon to go back to the hotel, I was lucky enough to catch a light show on the Tree of Life. I had an absolute blast at Disney World's Animal Kingdom and can't wait to enjoy the other parks that Disney has to offer.